Importing data on Excel or CSV format in ZenTreasury. Start data import by choosing the icon on the top right corner. Then, start by choosing the specific import item. Here in the example, we import account data, so we choose Accounts. You can find sample Excel and CSV files to use in the process from Download Sample selection. Fill in the bank account information on the sample file. Next, click to upload file from your source, select Open, and you'll see the data mapped with required headers. Choose Check to confirm that the data import file is complete. If that is not the case, you will get an error message stating the specific field that is incorrect. You can also use your own spreadsheets for the upload, but you need to map the columns to match the underlying data. If all is good, you'll get a message stating that the data is ready to be imported. You can now import your account data, and once successful, you'll get a notification stating the successful import.